How to start the gasoline stall cooler. Before the startup, let's take a look at some of the key parts. Brake. Starts handling. Start and extinguish switch, push button switch, photo trigger. Trigger protector, damper switch.
The first step is to push the brake forward to stop. Avoid rotation. Turn off the flame. The switch turns on. Throttle. Turn on. Pull it back to close it. Hold the handle with your left hand. Step on the right foot. Rear handle protector. Quick start machine. After hearing a boom, the throttle lever is returned. Make it open. Start again, quickly. It's off. Pull the brakes back quickly. Go! Go! Slow down for about a minute. Let's put the accelerator on again.